some terminologies in vectors. First one, the first kind of terminology is equal vectors. Equal vectors. See, let me consider there are two vectors A and B. If two vectors for my consideration, let it be vector A and vector B. If there are two vectors, if these two vectors are having the same magnitude, if they are having the same magnitude and are in the same direction, whenever the two vectors are having the same magnitude and same direction, we call those kind of vectors as equal vectors. If two vectors have same magnitude and are drawn in same direction, drawn and they are moved in same direction, then these two vectors are called equal vectors. Whenever there are two vectors A and B, if these two vectors are having the same magnitude and also are directed in the same direction, we call this kind of vectors as equal vectors. The equal magnitudes are denoted as, if I consider this as two equal vectors, then it is denoted as vector A equal to vector B. Vector A equal to vector B. Then what will be the angle between these two vectors? The angle between two vectors is, the angle between two equal vectors is 0. It's an important objective. The angle between two equal vectors is 0. Let us see the second terminology, negative vectors. Negative vectors. Let me consider there are two vectors, vector A and vector B, which are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Whenever we have got the two vectors with equal magnitude, with the equal length or equal size, but their direction is an opposite, then we call this kind of vectors as a negative vectors. Okay, if it is an equal vector, means the direction will be same. Both the vectors will be having the same direction. Those are called equal vectors. If the direction is different and if it is having the equal magnitude, we call those kind of vectors as a negative vectors. If two vectors, in my case let it be vector A and vector B, have same magnitude but are driven in or drawn in opposite direction, then these two vectors are called negative vectors. Then how to represent this negative vectors? The negative vectors are represented as vector A equal to minus of vector B. This is how you are supposed to represent the negative vector. Vector A is in the opposite direction to vector B, so the representation of negative vector will be vector A equal to minus of vector B. Then what is the angle between these two vectors? The angle between negative vectors is 180 degrees or pi radian. The angle between negative vectors is 180 degrees or pi radians. The next one is collinear vectors. The next kind of vector is collinear vectors. So see, and now in your mathematics, you might have studied about the collinear points. Collinear points means what? If I am having, let me have 3 points, point A, point B and point C. If all these 3 points line on a same line, whenever this all the 3 points line on the same line, we call this as a collinear points. Collinear point. If you know this concept, then the concept of collinear vector will be much more easier. Why? Because one kind of collinear vector is depends upon this concept. So now let me consider there is a never ending line. There is a never ending line. If on this line there is one vector, vector A, and another vector, vector B, then I call these two vectors as a collinear vector. If I am having these two vectors, vector A and vector B, then whenever these two vectors are having the same magnitude, equal magnitude, and are directed in the same direction, and if they are parallel to each other, we call this one as also one kind of collinear vector. It should have the equal magnitude, directed in same direction, with parallel to each other. We call this as one kind of collinear vector. Then another one, if there are two vectors, vector A and vector B, with same direction, with equal magnitude but opposite in direction and parallel to each other, we call this kind of vectors also one kind of collinear vector. But the difference between this collinear vector and this collinear vector is, these vectors we call it as in parallel vectors. We call it as in parallel vectors. This one we call it as an anti-parallel vectors. We call it as an anti-parallel vectors. So now in the collinear vectors, we have seen the like vectors, unlike vectors, parallel vectors and anti-parallel vectors. So let me tell another kind of collinear vector. If I am having vector A and similarly vector B, then I can even call this two as an collinear vector. Whenever there are two vectors which are parallel to each other, which are drawn in the same direction with unequal magnitude, even those kind of vectors are also called as collinear vectors. So the vectors with the unequal magnitudes which are drawn in the same direction and parallel to each other, we call it as also one kind of collinear vector. And the name of this one is again parallel vectors only. It is also parallel vector. Then other one, if I am having vector A and vector B with unequal magnitude but directed in different directions, which are parallel to each other, we call even this one also collinear vector, but this is anti-parallel vector. It is anti-parallel vector. So now here these are different kinds of collinear vectors, and the definition of collinear vector depends upon all these diagrams. Same magnitude, same or equal magnitude, and same direction and parallel to each other. Here equal magnitude and opposite direction. Coming to this one, same magnitude and lie on straight line with same direction or different direction. If it is same direction, we call it as an like vectors. If it is different direction, we call it as an unlike vectors. Here for this one, equal magnitude, this is unequal magnitude and same direction and parallel to each other. Then coming to this one, unequal magnitude and opposite direction and parallel to each other, but this kind of parallel we call it as an anti-parallel vectors.